So, okay, so everyone need to give the demonstration on the SAP S4HANA implementation and support projects. Okay, so I'm sharing you my screen. Just look at this in the coming classes, in upcoming classes. So we will have detailed guide on implementations. Okay, I told you this is orientation sessions. Okay, I'm not telling any methodologies here. Okay, so in the coming session, we will discuss so many important areas, particularly for the project level. Okay, just give me a moment. Not this, I think. So we will discuss about all these methodologies in clear way. Okay, I will take the methodologies. Okay, like how to implement SAP, what kind of methodologies we have in SAP ECC and S4HANA system. So for overall idea on the concepts. Okay, once you learn once you learn the system configuration, etc. Then again we will have detailed project guidance. Okay, this project guidance will helpful to crack any kind of interview in SAP S4HANA and ECC. And also we will have workshops. In the workshop means all the sessions are completed. So I will take 3 to 4 workshops, and I will give you detailed guidance on how to crack the SAP FICO and S4HANA interview. Okay, so like these are all important pointers we'll have to discuss. Okay, this is advanced concepts. This will be covered after 50 days of sessions. Okay, so right now what I am giving, this is only a basic level introduction part of projects. Okay, but in the coming classes, we will have detailed guides on a complete implementation, how to do this raw stuff will discuss clearly. So that is the reason. So I told you we have orientation sessions. Okay, these are completely orientation with basic idea. So people who want to switch from non-SAP so background, so like people who are into other fields, okay, other experiences and other qualifications, okay, irrelevant. They want to switch to SAP, then whatever the guidance so far I given, that is sufficient. Okay, and you people got some idea, right? So, so most of the people got some idea what is implementation and support projects. Okay, and again we will discuss these topics in the near future. So, but with the methodologies we will discuss. Okay, right now I didn't discuss about the methodologies. Okay, and I just given overall idea. So how to implement SAP system, what kind of phases we have, strategies we have, okay, and configuration types we have. Those things are given draft analysis to everyone to make this concept easier. But in the coming classes, we will have a detailed idea on these topics. Okay, and Monday, everyone, please note of it. Monday we have presentation sessions. Okay, so whatever the pointers we have discussed in the project level, particularly for implementation of support, so you just give your inputs and insights by giving your presentations. Okay, just want to check with you, so how many people ready to give the presentation classes? Okay, nobody, I didn't correct anything. So whatever you learned here in this 8 days of sessions, okay, just you share those inputs here. That's sufficient. And I didn't correct anything. Okay, so because you people came from different backgrounds, okay, and you didn't heard about any terminology of SAP. That is the reason. So I'm just not correcting anything. Okay, from your side. Just my expectation is you what you learned during this session. Just to say something. That's it. Okay. So like we discussed about the implementation and we discussed about the support project. Okay, so further, so what you understand and just to say something. So what is implementation project and what kind of phases will be there? How the data migration will happen? What kind of tools will be used? And what is the ticket durations? Okay, SLA. Okay, so whatever you understand in this area, just give your insights on this process. That's it. Okay, I just want to check with you how many people ready to give the presentation. Okay, no correction is done. Okay, just you give your presentation and we'll close. And next person will give the presentation and they will close. Like that, just drop your presentation. So just put your name in the chat box because I will connect these people on Monday. So how many people ready to give the presentation? Okay, just give your name. That's it. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, everyone need to open your mouth whether it is good or right. Okay, so whether you say wrong, that is also okay. Okay, so you just share your thoughts. That's it. Okay, what you have learned, you just open your mouth and say something in this presentation classes. It would helpful in real time. It would helpful in real time to get the business information from your client. Okay, and we have 2 days of time. Tomorrow we don't have any session. Sunday is rest. Okay, so within these 2 days you need to prepare and give the 5 minutes at least 2 to 5 minutes, 5 minutes max. 5 minute session. Okay, that's sufficient. Okay, how many people will give the presentations? Just give your name in the chat box. I'm expecting everyone. Why? Because if you not give the presentation, then it will impact your performance in real time. Okay, why? Because in real time, we will have to talk with our end users and we need to provide the information. Okay, everything. Okay, that is the reason. It is your time. Okay, so give the draft analysis and just your insights. Just give your insights whether it is correct or wrong. I don't justify. I don't correct anything. You just give your presentation. That's it. What about other people? Sheikh Ilyas, you just put your name in the chat box. And Dattu, also you need to put your name in the chat box. Okay, Divya, Paisani, all the North Indian students need to give your name in the chat box. All North Indian, South Indian, Bhavani Reddy, Bhavan Reddy. Okay, and just no. Okay, nobody will correct and nobody talk anything about your presentation. This is just like self-correction only. Okay, so I just want to check with you how many people joined recently. How many people joined recently? Okay, and just click on this raise hand button. Just click on the raise hand button so that I will understand who is joined. Okay. Okay, Bhavan Reddy, so you joined. So when you joined? See guys, so this is orientation classes. So far what we have discussed, so this is orientation classes for beginners, like non-IT guys who want to switch to. Okay, so
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Sorry to interrupt you.
What's your name?
Sir, Banu and me is joined today.
You joined today. Okay, so I will share after end of the class. I will share you all the videos to you what we have discussed so far. Okay, just to go through that videos.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So we have Sanjay
Sir,
and yes.
we need to create any PPTs.
No, yes, if you prepare PPT, that is also good. If you not prepare the PPT, that is also good. I just want to check with you guys, like how your presentation should be. See, as a trainer, I need to check everyone, okay? But initial stage, okay, so people who are confident to give the presentation, just share your names in the chat box, okay? See, no correction, and so nobody will talk anything. Just like presentation means what you have learned. That's it. Whether it is correct or wrong, I don't make any corrections here. Okay, you just drop your demonstration. That's it. Okay, and then after a few classes, means after 40-50 classes, again we will have presentation sessions. That time I will correct. That time I will correct. So now we have only 6 classes are over. Okay, these are all theoretical sessions. Okay, no corrections. So just like looking your presentation, how it is, and whether it is whether you will be fit for a job or not. Those things we will discuss here only. So Monday we have detailed presentation sessions from everyone. Okay, so give your presentation at least 5 minutes. People who are not able to deliver the content properly, no issues. And if they have a communication problem, okay, skill set, then do one thing. Okay, so you just on the draft whatever we discussed during the class in the one book. Okay, and read out those details. Okay, so at least you just read the project classes in this session. That is also fine, acceptable. This is if you're not, if you're having communication skills, okay, just write down in paper and just read out those things what you have learned. That's if you have no confidence, that is also acceptable. Got my point? And Mamata, okay, I think few people joined today, yesterday. Okay, I will share you all the videos list in the chat box. Okay, so last time I shared the links in the chat box. This is 5 sessions. I will update another 2 sessions here. Okay, and just to watch out. That's it. So main sessions will be starting from Monday onwards. Okay, so everyone need to take server access. I don't know how many people connected to server guide. I told you please connect to get the server access on immediate basis. Okay, so the server details I'm just sharing you guys. Okay, 95815817118. You can connect your server person and get the server access immediate basis. Immediate basis. Okay, so
Can you paste it?
how many
Hi, sir,
people?
can you paste it in the point of contact for server, sir?
Yes, Babu server, the phone number also given, right? You just connect to this person. Phone number. This phone number, they will guide you. Okay, I just want to check with you how many people taken server access. Just put S in the chat box. Just put S in the chat box. How many people taken server access? Okay. So only 2 people. What about others? Okay, I need SAP S4 2022 version. Okay, I need SAP S4HANA. We will work in the SAP S4HANA 2022 version.
So I have one doubt, sir. So Monday presentation, SAP consultant roles and responsibilities, or what, sir? Which what
Those
topic?
responsibilities, okay, like implementation support for that also. Okay, don't say SAP, he says SAP only. Okay, that is the reason I taken 7 classes for you to know more about the terminology. Okay, terminology perspective. So, I request everyone please watch out our videos and make draft in your paper, 2 pages or 3 pages, whatever maybe, and just talk 5 minutes. Every see, at least you just presented 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, and our system classes starting from Monday onwards. So everything in the system Monday, since from Monday onwards. Okay, so first you will get the server access. By today, by tomorrow, you need to get the server access first. Okay, get the server access because we will start everything in practical mode from Monday onwards. Got my point?
Please review the attached production test results document in the book.
Okay, keep your just keep your video off, madam. Okay. And the next thing is so people who are not registered still, so immediately please do registration. Okay, by Monday. So this is last date. Okay, so the the phone numbers, contact details, admin phone numbers, contact details, also given in the chart. We can connect to Kadir sir and Bobji sir for getting the server access on immediate basis. Okay, server access, and you can for related to server access, you can connect to the server guide. For registration point of view, connect to Bobji sir. and kHADAR'S. Okay. All right. And so far we discussed about the implementation projects, support projects. Okay. Generally, I will give you overall idea on all projects. All projects. Okay. Just give a minute. SAP projects. Implementation project, support projects, rollout projects. So next, conversion projects, upgrade projects. So mergers and acquisitions. So we generally see this kind of projects in real time. Okay. So generally we will see these kind of projects in real time. Okay. So implementation project, support project, rollout project, conversion project, and upgrade projects and mergers and acquisitions. So these are the projects we will see in real time. Got my point? So tell me what kind of projects? Implementation project, then support project, rollout project, conversion project, upgrade project, mergers and acquisition. Okay. So what is implementation project? So tell me anyone. So when we will start the implementation? When generally clients start the implementation? Tell me anyone.
Company is going to install SAP from legacy system to SAP to do the
Okay.
customized SAP.
Okay, fine. So anyone? Anyone?
Sir, when we convert from, suppose we are using, means our company using the Tally and they want to shift in SAP. So that's why whatever the project we are doing, this is the implementation project.
Okay, fine. And see guys, so implementation project. So implementation project. So implementation project means, okay, so for fresh company want to start SAP first time. Company wants to start or company want to switch to SAP first time. So then this kind of projects are called implementation. Okay, for example, startup companies. So they never used SAP. Okay, they want to use SAP first time. Okay, and they want to see their business into SAP first time, SAP software first time. This kind of projects are called as implementation. Or some companies who started the business already. Okay, but the system is like their data is completely in the other software like Tally, non-ERP systems. So non-ERP systems. So like non-ERP means Tally. Okay, they want to switch to Tally to SAP. Okay, but this business is already exist for the long time, so they want to extend their business. Okay, then implementation projects will be there. So then it is called as implementation project. Okay, implementation project In order to implement any kind of projects, we need to follow certain methodologies. Okay, so SAP methodology. This is recommended by SAP strongly. So SAP recommended SAP methodology for ECC projects. ECC projects. ECC means old version projects. For S4HANA projects, so SAP strongly recommended Activate methodology. So apart from this, so many methodologies are coming in the market. Blue field, brown field, okay, green field, agile. So many methodologies. Okay, waterfall. So many every day one methodology is coming, but in our sessions mostly we will focus on these methodologies because these two methodologies recommended by SAP strongly. Okay, so and so you need to put in your resume these methodologies. Okay, we will have detailed sessions how the implementation project happen in real time. So in the last classes we will discuss. Okay, so again we will have repeated session in the last. Okay, but so in depth more. So right now, so I explained the basic orientation sessions for everyone to know more about the SAP projects. Okay, implementation. Yeah, so there are certain phases will be there in each phase. In each methodology, there are certain phases will be there. Okay, what are the phases are there? Okay, what happened in these phases? What is your role in these phases? Okay, those discussions will happen in the next classes. So just I'm giving draft idea on the SAP projects because so you are all from non-commerce background. Some people commerce background. Some people non-IT background. So that's the reason initial classes for 8 classes maximum 8 classes. It's completely free sessions and it's completely project oriented. Okay. And
Sir,
one
please
more
scroll
request.
down.
And one more request to everyone. So we have Telugu sessions also. People who are from like AP, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. People who know the Telugu. Okay. So batch is again starting this month. This month between 20th. Okay, we will share the details in the class. Okay, those details you want to migrate from English batch to Telugu batch. So we are also giving that facility. Okay. This is your choice. You want to continue English batch or Telugu. So both are acceptable, but you cannot continue in both sessions. Okay, like any one should be recommended. So implementation means this. Okay, in real time. So there are certain methodologies will be there. Okay, so based upon the methodology, we need to implement SAP in real time. Support project we already discussed in the last session. Support means after implementation, support projects will start. After implementation, support project will start. Support means we need to support the SAP end users. Okay, on day-to-day basis. So we on a day-to-day basis we have to support SAP end users. Okay, and support project means we need to support SAP end users for if the end user facing any kind of errors. Okay, they will approach to SAP. We need to support. We need to support. We need to resolve the SAP end user issues in time. So that is the reason there should be SLA. Okay, we need to work on tickets based. So SLA, I told you P1 ticket duration, P2 ticket duration, P3 ticket duration. Duration means resolution time. If end user writes P1 ticket, then we will have to resolve this ticket in 2 hours. If it is P2 tickets, we will have to resolve in 6 hours. And it is a P4 ticket, we will have to resolve in 3 days. And if it is a P4 ticket, we will have to resolve in 4 days. This resolution time and the response time. Response time means once the user writes the ticket, then how much time you will take to assign this. That is called as response time. Okay, so say 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you need to assign this ticket with your name or your colleague name. So generally for support projects ticketing tool, I told you ticketing tool is service now. Okay, so and the P4 ticket 30 minutes. Okay, this is called as response time. This is called as resolution time. Response time means how much time we taken to assign this ticket. Okay, if not assign the ticket, then user will escalate. Okay, so when the people, so user want to connect a SAP consultant, then anyone need to assign this ticket with their name, right? If not assigned, then user again keep on writing mails, and in that mails your project manager will be there. So that is the big problem. And if the ticket response time or resolution time breached, then you are responsible to that particular ticket completely. So this is called as response time, resolution time, okay, and SLA. So yeah, I told you so many errors will come. So that time you need to resolve. So end user facing so many errors, whether it is master data configuration related and data related. Okay. So anyhow, you will have to solve those issues at any cost within the SLA. Okay. In the workaround, you need to resolve the tickets in time. Particularly, you will see month end time. There are so many deadlines will be there. So many issues will arise. Okay, so those tickets you need to handle and resolve those tickets. Okay. So we discussed these things already, and rollout projects. Okay, support project duration almost you see 24 months in SAP S4HANA, and so support project. So it should be 2 years agreement with your client, and almost it will be extended to the next 3 years depends upon performance. Okay, so mostly you will get this kind of projects in real time. Nowadays, all ECC projects are support projects, and so we didn't see any implementation in ECC. Okay, so S4HANA implementations will be there in future. Right now, due to recession and no implementation is going on, we will see mostly support projects, rollout projects. Rollout project means a mini implementation. So it's just like a mini implementation. So rollout project is just like mini implementation. The project is almost around 8 months. So project is around 8 months. So it's just like mini implementation. Okay, so for example, okay, so we have one company code. Okay, this is located at USA, and this is US based company code. Okay, this US based company code wants to expand their business. Okay, then they established one more company code in Canada. Okay, in Canada they established one more company code, and the same location also established one more company code. Canada, 2 company codes, and so USA again 2 company codes. The total company codes 5. One company code is already implemented. So one company code already implementation done. For the US company code, already implementation is done. For the extension of the business, they want to establish 2 company codes in USA and 2 company codes in Canada. Okay, now there is no need to start again fresh implementation for this 4 company codes. Why? Because the USA company code is already established and the implementation part is finished off. So taking again implementation is a cost effective to the company. Okay, that is the reason. So duration is 18 months because so implementation is once you're done for one company code, there is no need to start again fresh implementation for these 2 company codes, 4 company codes, and you will have to copy the settings. So one complement. See, you will have to implement a rollout projects. Particularly, you have to copy the same settings, same settings configurations. You have to copy the same settings which you already implemented. I mean, that is That is for USA. Okay. That is so you already implemented USA company code. Just you need to copy. You have to copy the same setting for another 4 company codes. Another 4 company codes. Why? Because which you already implemented for USA. So USA company code is already exist and you already implemented, right? It's just to copy whatever the settings. Settings means same settings. Same settings, similar settings should be copied. Similar settings in GL accounts, vendors, customers, some of the basic global settings, those things just copy it from the existing company code. Okay. So there is no need to start again fresh implementation. It's a copy project. Simply you can say it's a copying one company code to another. Okay. So rollout. That is the reason duration of the project is less. Okay. This is happened after implementation only. For business extension expansion point of view, this project comes into picture. And conversion. Yes.
Company.
Your voice is low, ma'am. Can you say something? Can you loud your voice? Can you speak out a little bit more?
Country specific settings and statutory settings we need to change because
yeah, as I told you, the similar settings which is same for these 4 company codes. I told you for one company code already implementation what is done, and whatever the similar settings. Similar means same setting for another company codes. Okay, so this that should be only copied. Other things the same configuration will be. So conversion projects. Convert. So conversion projects. So conversion means non-ERP to ERP. So particularly ERP to ERP conversion means, so company is using Oracle. Okay, so your client is in Oracle and this is one ERP and he want to switch to ERP, SAP. Okay, or your client in PeopleSoft. Okay, and so you want to convert this PeopleSoft, want to switch to SAP. This is ERP to ERP projects. Okay, so system landscape is different. Oracle, the Oracle is a different software. Okay, and so that company, so client is using Oracle now. He want to switch to SAP for better performance and reporting point of view. So then this kind of projects conversion means ERP to ERP conversion. And upgrade projects.
So what's the time duration for the conversion project?
So a max 8 months.
Okay,
These are all small projects, 8 months. And next thing, maximum 8 months to 12 months. Depends upon the project. Small projects will take small time. Big projects will take big duration. So upgrade. Upgrade projects. Upgrade means we are converting old version to latest version. So that means ECC is the old version. ECC, ERP, EHP. 8 is the old version. You want to convert from S4HANA. Okay, 2022. This is the latest. Or S4HANA 20 S4HANA 1809 1909 to SAP S4HANA 2022. This kind of projects. Okay, old version to latest version. Some upgrades will do in our system. Some patches, updates, softwares you need to install. Okay, these things will be taken care by ABAP basis FICO consultants. So project duration almost 6 to 10 months. Small project 6 months, big projects 10 months. So you will see, you won't see this kind of projects much. See, company want to sell their complete business to another company, or company take over entire operations of the other company. Okay, or company like client, company is client wants to merge with another company. Okay, our client wants to take over another company, and the client wants to mix with another company. They formed as two companies. Okay, in single name, and they will share the profits. Okay, those things are called as a mergers acquisitions. These things will happen only winding up time. Okay, so max you will say implementation, support, rollout projects, upgrade projects in real time. Max, you will see this kind of projects. Okay, so now everyone understand, right? What are the projects we have? Okay, so I'm just sharing this notes in the chat box. Get these notes. Okay, everyone, just right click on this notes and copy, and open up your Word file and save it. That's it. Okay. From Monday onwards, from Tuesday, Monday only presentation session. From Tuesday onwards, configuration part is starting. We are starting the configuration part. From Tuesday onwards, we are starting the configuration part. Got my point? Okay, everyone get the server access immediate basis. From Monday, up to Monday, last date, everyone need to get the server access, because we will perform all configurations in SAP S4HANA 2022 version. So people who joined recently, means yesterday, today, or on the middle of the classes, no worries, no worries. And we have every month we have new batch. Okay, and we will share the recorded videos which are already done. Okay, in the chat box, no issues. And every month we have new sessions, new batches. Okay, you can also switch to that batch. It's a Telugu people only. English batch only we are running one batch. Okay, but almost all of the sessions will go in Telugu. Every 3 months we have one English batch. Okay, so no, it's a lifetime validity. Okay, so till learning of the course, full course. Okay, after you get the confidence, then you can attend the interviews. How many days the record video will be available? In the Skype only 30 days. I told you every day recorded video will come to your chart. Immediately you need to download this video. Okay, in Skype the recorded video will be available only 30 days. So after 30 days, the recorded video will be gone. Okay, so means it will not work out. So my recommendation is, so please download, and so keep the everyday class name, day 1, day 2, day 3 for all recorded videos. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, class 1, class 2, class 3. Like that, you need to make one folder and save it on folder. That's it from my side. Any discussions you want to continue? So we have 5 to 10 minutes. Please go on.
Sir, what is greenfield and brownfield implementations?
This we will discuss in the future. Greenfield is just like, for new implementation projects, first time want to switch to SAP. So greenfield methodologies will be recommended. This is just like for new projects, startup projects. Okay, so freshly want to start greenfield. Methodology is just like guidance. Okay, how we can implement SAP system, what are the phases we need to go through, and so just like guidance. Okay, methodology is guidance, but phases, each phase what we do, those things will be given by these methodologies. And brownfield is just like conversion from ECC to S4HANA. So those kind of conversions we generally use the brownfield methodologies. Okay. Any other questions?
Sir, this S4HANA 2022 version, at which month it has came into existence?
2022 in the 2022 year only. Okay, right now the version is 2024. We cannot discuss 2022 version, 24 version. Okay, every year a new version will release. No worry about the versions. Okay, so right now still 2020 companies are not using still 2022 version. Okay, they are into still old versions. Okay, so but we are discussing advanced classes in the advanced versions. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, you told
Sir, what
that
about the recording?
in the market situation, the implementation project is not happening. So if we will give any interview and they will assign with us any support project or any implementation project, sir?
Not like that. Not like that. Even there is no implementation projects are going on. Okay, but they will check your implementation and support experiences in your resume.
Okay.
Okay, both experiences are required, right?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
Yeah. Sir, can we have? Hi, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Can we have the recording sequence of the previous one, sir?
Yeah. Subbareddy, please go ahead.
Okay. I need to go through the previous session recordings, sir. Because
Okay.
3 to 4 sessions are completed now.
See, regarding the previous sessions, here I've updated only 5 sessions. Okay, but another 3 sessions or two three sessions I will update by today. Okay, so meanwhile you just go through these 5 sessions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
Sir, in interview they ask the configuration or any particular theoretical question?
Regarding the interview, I will tell you workshops. Okay, resume preparation. In that time we will discuss. Right now, we are not doing anything. Okay, we are just in the basic classes. Those things, interview related stuff we are not reached so far.